sunny days and a dozen times ago, I reached out one night and you were gone. I don't know why you run, what you're running to or from. All I know is I want to bring you home. So I'm walking through the rain, thumbing for a ride on this lonely Kentucky back road. I've loved you much too long, my love's too strong to let you go, never knowing what went wrong. Kentucky rain keeps pouring down, Lord, and love here's another town that I'll go walking through with the rain in my shoes.
Rain in my shoes.
Searching for you in the cold Kentucky rain. Hey, cold Kentucky rain. Showed you photographs to some old gray bearded men sitting on a bench outside general store. They said yes, she's been here, but their memory wasn't clear. Was it yesterday? No way, the day before. Then I finally caught a ride with the preacher man who asked, are you bound on such a cold, dark afternoon? As he drove on through the rain, as he listened, I explained, they heard me with a prayer that I find you. Kentucky rain keeps pouring down, Lord, and up ahead's another town that I'll go walking through with the rain in my shoes.
Rain in my shoes.
Searching for you in the cold Kentucky rain. Oh yeah, cold Kentucky rain. Hey, cold Kentucky rain. Oh yeah, cold Kentucky. Thank you.